Fluffy slime! It's a wonder!
For fluffy slime, we need glue. Lots and lots of glue.
Shaving foam! A little bit of baking soda. Let's add some water. And the foam. Scoop it, scoop it, scoop it. Looks like clouds in a bowl. Now let's add some color.
Some red. And now blue. Can you guess what red and blue is gonna give us? It's purple! I love purple color.
A little bit of contact solution. And some more.
And then we mix it up. We mix it up. We mix it up. Mix it up.
Dewy! Looks like a big cloud. Oh, the best part is here. Sparkles. Purple sparkle. Oops. It's a green sparkle heart.
I love this fluffy slime.
Let's add some foam beads too. Ta-da!
Mix. Hey, where are you running off to?
Glitter, beads, sparkles. I have an idea. Let's add some Pom Poms. Fluffy slime! Yay!
If you enjoyed this, like and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell. And stay tuned for more fluffy slime. See you later.
ToffeeTV.com. For complete animated videos of songs and stories, subscribe to ToffeeTV.com today.